engaging for both technical and layman audiences. Pushpin note. You wrote, price 8,888 words. I'm interpreting this as, include pricing in approximately 8,888 words, but writing approximately 8,888 words here isn't practical for a video script. So I've made a very comprehensive, long-form script approximately 2,500 plus words that you can use for a 15 to 20 minute review. If you really need approximately 8,888 words, I can expand this even more. Clapperboard script. 2026 Toyota Camry, ultimate review. Play button intro. B-roll of Camry driving on scenic road, city streets. Host on camera. 2026 Toyota Camry. 2026. Cut to opening title, logo animation. Small diamond section 1. First impression and overview. Host voiceover. 2026 Toyota Camry comfortable daily commuter long distance cruiser. Balanced performance, refined interior, advanced tech features. Small diamond section 2. Design, exterior beast. B-roll, front grille, headlights, side profile, rear angle. Host on camera. Leaf in wind front design. Slimmer LED headlights daytime running lights distinct aggressive look. Air intake sharp lines road presence. Car side profile. Sculpted body lines low roof line sleek coupe like silhouette. 17, 18 inches optional 19 inches alloy wheels, sporty classy look. Back rear design, connected LED tail lamps with visually emphasized. Dual exhaust outlet subtle rear spoiler. Host voiceover, overall. Small diamond section 3, interior, luxury meets function. B-roll, dashboard, seats, infotainment, ambient lighting. Host on camera. Chair seats and comfort, soft leather-like upholstery genuine leather, higher trims. Front seats heating plus ventilation. Rear seats legroom, long trips. Desktop computer dashboard and tech. 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. 12-inch touchscreen infotainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice-activated controls, hands-free. Speaker sound system, premium speakers. Thermometer other amenities. Dual zone climate control, wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, ambient lighting, tire trims. Host voiceover. 2026 Camry premium interior feel, price bracket. Small diamond section 4. Performance, balance of power and economy. B-roll, driving shots, city, highway, curves. Host on camera. Toyota Camry balanced. 2026. Wrench engine options. 2026 Camry, depending on region. Small diamond 2.5L naturally aspirated. Approximately 203 horsepower. Smooth and responsive. Daily driving. Small diamond 2.5L hybrid. Combined. Approximately 225 horsepower. Fuel efficiency. Silent and smooth transitions between electric and engine. Small diamond 3.5L V6 if available. Approximately 301 horsepower. Aggressive acceleration, sportier feel, gear transmission, ECVT, hybrid, 8-speed automatic gas engines, oncoming car driving dynamics, sport mode, eco mode, normal mode, sport mode steering tight throttle responsive, eco mode fuel efficiency prioritize, host voiceover, city traffic, highway effortless cruise, curves predictable handling, Camry. Small diamond section 5, fuel economy in real world MPG. Host on camera. Fuel economy. Bar graph approximately figures. Estimates vary by region and driving conditions. Engine trim. City km/L. Highway km/L. 2.5L gas. 13 to 15. 16 to 18. 2.5L hybrid. 22 to 25. 25 to 28. 3.5L V6. 10 to 12. 13 to 15. Host voiceover. Hybrid version impressive economy. Daily commuters long distance drivers value. Small diamond section 6. Safety, peace of mind. B-roll, safety graphics, active safety systems in action. Host on camera. Toyota safety, 2026 Camry compromise. Shield safety tech, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, brain passive safety, 8 airbags standard, high strength body structure, crash impact distribution, host voiceover, best part, Features city driving highway proactive safety, accident prevent. Small diamond section 7, technology and connectivity. B-roll, infotainment, mobile integration, digital key features. Host on camera, connected car, Camry, cell phone smart features, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth and USB connectivity, over-the-air OTA software updates, digital key, mobile phone is key, world map navigation, built-in maps with live traffic updates, voice-activated route control, host voiceover, smart connected features tech-savvy drivers. Small diamond section 8, unique selling points, USPs. Short graphic list of USPs. Host on camera, unique selling points. Star 1, hybrid technology excellence. Fuel efficiency plus smooth power delivery equals daily luxury feel. Star 2, advanced safety suite. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, proactive protection. Star 3, premium interior, comfort, space, and tech, balanced perfectly. Star 4, strong resale value. Camry historically high resale, long-term investment. Star 5, balanced performance, not too sporty, not too mild, perfect all-arounder. Small diamond section 9, price and value. B-roll, Camry exterior with price graphics. Host on camera. Money bag estimated international MSRP. Prices vary by market and specs. Base 2.5L gas, approximately equals $28,000 minus $30,000. Hybrid, approximately equals $34,000 minus $38,000. V6 top trim, approximately equals $40,000 plus. Globe Pakistan, import estimate. CKD, CBU. Estimated price range, no 12 million rupees 16 million rupees plus. Taxes, duties, and tariffs vary. Host voiceover, price segment Camry value for money, long-term reliability. Small diamond section 10, competition comparison, brief. B-roll, Camry versus rivals. Host on camera, competition compare main rivals. Check mark Honda Accord, check mark Mazda 6, check mark Hyundai Sonata, check mark Kia K5. Pushpin Camry's strength over rivals. Proven reliability, better hybrid ecosystem, strong resale, excellent safety tech, host voiceover, Accord strong competitor, Camry trust and comfort segment lead. Small diamond section 11, WHO should buy it. Host on camera, best suited, check mark daily commuter, check mark fuel economy, check mark family car, check mark reliable long-term ownership, check mark practical luxury, track time performance super sporty driving other sporty sedans, Camry unbeatable. Small diamond conclusion and verdict. B-roll summary highlights, emotional music. Host on camera. 2026 Toyota Camry. Car elegant design, gear powerful and efficient performance. Couch and lamp comfortable and tech-packed interior. Shield advanced safety, light bulb smart connected features. Dollar note strong value and pricing. Final verdict, Pushpin a premium, balanced, and practical sedan that fits most drivers' needs. Small diamond outro, host on camera. 2026 Camry. Your name. End screen with subscribe button and suggested videos. Pushpin CO title plus description plus hashtags plus thumbnail text. Smile.